Hello friends, welcome again to my channel Organic and Hydroponic Urban Grow Pro. Friends, today in this video we will see what is deep water culture bucket system and how you can operate it. What all vegetables you can grow in this system and what is the care you need to take into this system. So today I am going to explain all these things into detail in this video. So for getting all this detail, please stay connected to the video till the end. Let's start the video. So friends, these are all what you see are my all deep water culture bucket system. These buckets I have made on myself. It is very simple to manufacture at home. You can also manufacture it with any of the empty vessel lying with you. Only you need to ensure that it has a capacity to hold at least 5 liters of the water and have a openable lid. I have taken the 20-liter buckets and with this lid. And what I have done in this 20-liter bucket, on this lid I have made this hole. These are around 2-inch hole. These holes are for accommodating these net cups. You need the net cups to hold the plants for this system. So you can purchase like this net cups on the online and use it. Now I have made the hole exactly of this size, so I can just simply put the net pot and rest it on the bucket. So this is how you can manufacture a simple deep water culture bucket system. Now how you can operate it. So for that, now we need to fill this bucket full of water up to the level 2-inch below the top level. So when we put the lid and put this cup into this, then water level should be just touching the bottom of the cup. That's how whatever we plant will get the water initially. Now when we plant into the system, then plant starting water from the system. Now once we are ready with the bucket with the water, we need to add all the nutrition related to our plant which we are going into grow. So once we prepare this water with the nutrient solution, then we are ready for the planting. Watch the video till the end, and if you find this video interesting and useful, then give me a like. Also share it with the like-minded people. Express your view in a comment box and feel free to give any suggestions to improve. Let's watch the video. Don't forget to subscribe. So once you prepare the water with the nutrition and with maintaining the level, now only thing left is to prepare the seedling to plant into this. We can prepare the seedling into nursery and transplant this into the net cups like this, either with the help of coco pit or with the clay balls, or here we have used the sponge. So once we transplant this seedling, then we simply need to put this seedling into these buckets. Now this seedling we have already transplanted 3-4 days back, and you can see that this is a tomato seedling and here are the new roots are coming. Means this seedling is now set, and we have also ensured that this is getting water at the bottom. Now what will happen, as the seedling will have a new roots, it will take up the good amount of water with the nutrition and take its growth, and water level will continuously reduce. So after a certain period of time, the water level will reduce by some amount, and the same space will be taken up by the new roots. The initial roots were the water absorbing roots, which will go deeper into the water, and the upper portion of the bucket, which is empty but which is very highly moist, which will taken up by the roots which are air roots. So in this bucket, only thing we need to care that we cannot refill the bucket once it is empty. Otherwise the air roots will drown into the water and it will stop supplying the oxygen to the plant, and our plant may die because of that. So in this system there's a limitation that we cannot add up the water afterwards. Now if you are growing some leafy crop, then it is okay. We can put the 4 plants into 20 liters because leafy requires 4 to 5 liters for the its entire growth cycle. But if you are planting a fruiting vegetable plant into this, then we should ensure that we should only plant 1 or 2 plants, because fruiting vegetables have a longer life cycle, and over a period the water will empty out and our plant may not get into the good fruiting also. So in this system there is a limitation, but it is very easy to operate. Anyone can start with this system. With all the mistakes, it will take up a good crop for you. Now about what are the crops you can take into this. As I have just explained, that you can take all the leafy crops, like you can take the lettuce, you can take the cabbage, cauliflower, or you can take the coriander, you can take the kale, you can take the celery. All this can grow very well in this system. In the fruiting vegetables, the brinjal you can take the tomato, you can take the chili, but only thing need to control is we cannot have more plant per bucket. And this is very simple system to operate with a very good success rate. So how do you find this system of growing hydroponic vegetables with the deep water culture buckets? Write me back into the comment box. And you also prepare for your buckets to start with the hydroponic. Happy growing!